An overflowing blessings to everyone to our daily verse. We're now at Exodus chapter 23 and verse 12 up to verse 13. Work the first 6 days of the week, but rest and relax on the seventh day. This law is not only for you, but for your oxen, donkey, and slaves, as well as for any foreigners among you. Make certain that you obey everything I have said. Don't pray to other gods or even mention their name. So, this passage is about the law of Sabbath and the law against idolatry. Because our God is a jealous God and Sabbath is sacred to all world Israelites, even today. Sabbath is a day that they serve and worship God for a day. And nowadays, in our modern times, some uh, do it on Sunday, some do it on Saturday, and some on Friday. But regardless, as long as you obey God, it doesn't matter whatever it is. And even some even do it on a daily basis, 7 days a week, meaning they serve God on a daily basis. And they worship Him on a daily basis. So we as a Christian, we do it every Sunday. We serve and worship God, but we do it within the congregation. But still, in our private lives, we do it every day. We serve and worship Him daily. But every Sunday, it's congregational. So let us remember that God is against idolatry. Why? Because He is a jealous God. Because after all, He is the creator of heaven and earth. And how dare you just to replace Him by the works of your hand? Because idolatry is an insult to God. Because He did everything ahead of time. He made you. He made everything around you. And yet you still to choose to worship an idol instead of worshiping your creator. So that's an insult to God. After all, He is the God of Jacob. He is the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. He is the living God. Right?